Hello everyone. Physics EMSAT question. Calculate the impulse from the below applied force versus time graph. Here we have the force and here we have the time, and we need to calculate the impulse. As we know that the impulse of force is equal to the momentum, so if we want to calculate this from the graph, we need to get the area under the slope. So here we have three areas. The first one is the triangle, and then we have the rectangular, and then we have another triangle. So let's get the areas. And as we know that the area of a triangle is equal to half times base times height, and the area of rectangular or square is equal to base times height. So let's get the first area, which is for this triangle. It will be equal to half times the base here is 2 times the height is 2 as well, so it will be 2. The second area is the base times the height. Here the base from 2 to 5, so we have 1, 2 and 3, so it's 3 times the height 2 equals 6. Then we have the area for the third triangle, which is A3, half times the base. Here starts from 5 to 8, so 8 minus 5, which is 3, times the height, again 2, so the answer would be 3. So now to get the impulse, we need to add all the three areas, so it would be 2 plus 6 plus 3, which is 11 Newton second. So here the answer would be 11 Newton second. Thank you.